In this video, we're going to show you how to work as a team.
And I'll show you all the work I do and all the work he does not do. I do everything, he does nothing.
I have quit a few times, but I came back about 2 hours later. She's quit a few times. I think going into this together is what makes a true team. You want to add to that? How great I am? Personally, I'm constantly prospecting laundromats, looking for the next opportunity. Ordering any parts for laundry, making sure that the machines are fixed, everything's in operation. So we bought this building, okay? This is a 20,000 square foot warehouse. We have part here and then past that door over there. And then that's gonna allow us to scale on our pickup and delivery business. And that's one thing that I wanna do. One reason why we purchased this warehouse was retool. We have nowhere to put the laundry, so we would usually just get rid of it real quick and you don't know what kind of deal you can get. Okay, so now that we have this warehouse, check this out. Store these machines, bring them here, fix them, and sell them to the public. This says there's standing water in here. Well, it could be two things. It's probably a pump or it could be a drain issue. Well, it's a pump issue because this is a pump. So I have a pump back there. I'll get my technician to fix this or I'll fix it later and then I'll sell it. It comes with these terrible card readers. But there you go. There's tons of Horizons, top loaders. We have coin machines, you name it. So now I can bring them back here and I can resell. And so that's basically what I do. After moving to this building, I'm in the process of trying to get everything organized. And so I have parts everywhere and I'll show you my parts room that I have that I'm trying to get organized. This is in a Hipsch dryer. Okay, so if this break, any part of this comes apart, then you'll get lint sheets. Lint sheets will go in and it'll hit the blower fan. And when it hits the blower fan goes bad and it'll probably break all apart. Then you have to buy a blower fan. And then if you don't know what's causing the blower fan to break, then this is what you need right here. And that'll fix that problem from occurring again. When we bought this warehouse, it was all against the wall. So me and Kelly, we had a discussion. We decided to come 14 feet out and build 5 offices. Well, they're not exactly offices. So here's what we're doing. This is a break room right here. It's a kitchen table, microwave, everything you need in here. And then this right here, this is our eBay room. My son has edited up and he's selling a bunch of stuff on eBay. We're getting rid of stuff and I told him just to do an eBay thing. So he's selling it all. Right here, this is my parts room. But my goal is to get, you see, I have rollers, blower fans, water valves, bearings, anything you need to fix, Speed Queen or Hipsch washer. And so that way I can come in here on the shelf and not have to worry. See, I'm just building up the parts and I'm gonna have everything organized perfectly per machine. We're trying to go all hard mount and get rid of Horizons and top loaders. So I'll have some card readers in here as well, something different. It's a mess. This is the manager's office. And then right here at the end, this is where we keep, these are all floor mats to all the buildings. Floor mats, they need to all go in there. We have laundromat bags in there. We have everything essential, garbage bags, gloves, masks to clean the laundromats or supplies for the laundromat. There will be soaps and whatnot and anything you need that will be locked up in this closet.
Some main roles that I play within our companies with our laundries, and then we also have janitorial company as well. So I pretty much handle personnel for both of those companies, take care of payroll and make sure that everything gets to the accountant. Essentially, you just have to be self-motivated first of all. We do like all of our stores clean, all the machines repaired, so I'll get a list of everything so that Jodan can pull the parts or whoever can pull the parts and have them ready. Another thing that I do, communicate with our clients. We have a lot of commercial clients that we do pickup and delivery for. I'll communicate with them, making sure everything's going okay. I answer emails for potential clients, but the larger accounts I like to handle myself. Overseeing our janitorial company as well. We have a lot of very large commercial accounts. We no longer do residential. We only focus on commercial, which works really well. Everybody gets into their routine. It's not going to 30 different houses every day. They're going to the same businesses every day, so they get their routine down. Communicating with my janitorial commercial clients as well. Fortunately, we have a really good management staff that helps me and helps Jodan keep everything moving in motion. And actually, the more laundromats and the more businesses and the more employees we acquire, it seems like things become easier to manage. You have more employees, so if one person's calling out at one store, you have more employees to cover that store. Whereas when we only had 1 or 2 stores, when we had maybe only 5 or 6 employees, it was hard to pull from that small amount of employees. I do everything, he does nothing. And he's quit a few times, no, I'm just kidding. But you know, we really love what we do. We love our employees, we have a great staff. I don't really even want to say they're employees, I actually like to call them team members, because without them, you know, there wouldn't be a Splash 'Em Out.
Well, we met over, 22 years ago in October. And she's a registered nurse. I'm working in journalism, broadcasting journalism, of course. And one day she came up to me, she goes, "Man, these hospitals are dirty." I said, "Well, let's start a cleaning business." And she said, "Yes, let's do it." And we just stopped everything we were doing and started our cleaning business. And we started Commonwealth Cleaning. So after Commonwealth Cleaning got started, we were doing a maid service, cleaning 500 houses a month at least. Well, while we were sitting there talking one day, we said, "You know," Kelly goes, "We need to get a laundromat." I was like, "You're right." So that's what got us started in the laundromat business. And we love this business. It's fun. It's challenging, but fun. The benefit of working with a spouse, especially if you have children, you can split up your duties. First off, I think when we came on board, we kind of naturally went to our strengths. I went to my strengths and she went to her strengths. I guess one of my weaknesses is that I'm impatient. I'm very impatient. Now. Where her strength is, she's very patient. That's why she deals with most of the personnel. I think the benefit of us working together as well is that we do vacations together. So we don't have to call a boss and say, "Hey, schedule this off." We just schedule it. We look at our calendar and we just do our vacation.
I know a lot of people, a lot of my friends couldn't work with their spouses. Some of them may be able to. I find it very easy. A lot of days where, you know, we may not even see each other through the day. Some days we do, some days we don't. I think that helps keep a happy medium.
So we assess and do everything together, but yet we don't step on each other's feet at the same time, do we? I mean, I have quit a few times, but I came back about 2 hours later. She's quit a few times. Then you calm down, and it's never over anything other than just the frustration. When a hurricane comes, it comes, you know. Like if one customer complains, it's 40. If one washer breaks, 5 break. You know, it's just very frustrating. So we have found a steady medium on how to take care of everything in every aspect of this business. I do believe, though, if I had opened a laundromat 5 years before I met Kelly, we wouldn't see eye to eye. If she had opened up a laundromat 5 years prior to meeting me, we wouldn't see eye to eye. I think going into this together is what makes a true team.
My biggest tip would be go with your strengths. Each one of us is better at something than the other. We don't try to compete against each other. It's not a competition between us. We're a team. If he can do something better, great, he can do it. If I do something better, I will do it. I'm better at handling personnel. I'm better at taking care of payroll and that type of thing. He's better at
writing letters, which I hate. And she's always like, "You need to write a letter to this or take care of that." And I'm better at fixing the equipment. And I'm the one who does all the collections. I think that's more of a safety thing. And that's why I do the collections.
I would say one thing, that you have to be honest with each other.
Yes.
You can't try to go behind one another's back. If you do that as partnership or any other business, it's not going to work.
Yeah, honesty is a policy in this business, in any business that you work with. If you're not totally transparent on everything you're doing, then you're cheating yourself and you're cheating your business, because then it will come up. I think personally, I'm 100 times more successful than if I was by myself, because I'm with my life partner, I'm with my wife, I'm with the mother of my child, I'm with my best friend. I believe that the reason we are successful is because we are together. Anything else you want to add to that? How great I am? I believe it is, especially because we're going at it with 2 instead of 1. And can you imagine that? If you have a spouse that you totally trust, and so you're going into business together, you're going into business with 2 people instead of 1. Wow, it's an unbelievable partnership when you can do that.
I agree.
It's best to work as a team because you have 2 minds instead of 1, and you will see exponential growth as a result.
If you like this video, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.